कांग्रेस एमपी केसी वेणुगोपाल ने कहा कि हम हिंदू हैं, लेकिन साथ ही हम दूसरे मज़ाहिब के अकीदे का भी एहतराम करते हैं। ये बिल महाराष्ट्र और हरियाणा इंतखाबात के लिए ख़ास है। आप नहीं समझते कि पिछली बार हिंदुस्तान के लोगों ने आपको वाज़ेह तौर पर सबक सिखाया था? ये विफाकी निज़ाम पर हमला है।
Sir, thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to raise an objection on this draconian law which is introduced by the government. Sir, fundamentally this is an attack on constitution. Basically, when we are talking about the constitutions, this bill is a fundamental attack on constitution. Sir, see sir, as per the provision, clearly, composition of the Central Waqf Council, basically, the Central Waqf Council, where the Waqf property is coming, sir, that is coming from the donations of the believers. Those who are believe in the God and those who are be that they are giving the Waqf donations. Now, Article 26 is very clear, sir. Freedom to manage religious affairs, subject to public order, morality and health. Every religious denomination of any section thereof shall have the right to establish and maintain institutions for religious and charitable purposes.